Hey everybody, welcome back to Guns and Gadgets, the premier source for Second Amendment news. We're going to stray a little bit away from the Second Amendment today, but we're still talking about our government and the tyrannical overreach of Nancy Pelosi. What do I mean? Well, I'm going to put a letter here on the screen in a minute, and it's from the Capitol Police. They have been ordered to arrest any visitors or members who do not put on a mask. That's right, Nancy Pelosi will have people arrested. Here's the letter. This is bulletin number 21.96. This was published yesterday, and it is good through the rest of the year. This came from the Office of the Chief of Police of the Capitol Police, and it says, on January 27th, 2021, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention issued new guidance that all individuals, vaccinated and unvaccinated alike, should wear a mask in indoor spaces to reduce the spread of the Delta variant of COVID-19. According to the CDC, the Delta variant has become the dominant coronavirus in the United States and continues to challenge aspects of disease control, public health, and the urgency to complete vaccination for unvaccinated individuals. Based on this information, the Office of the Attending Physician advised that Congress follow the CDC's guidance to require mask wearing in interior spaces to help reduce the risk of COVID-19 infection. Therefore, effective immediately, to promote the good health and well-being of our employees, all United States Capitol Police personnel must wear a mask at all times when in the interior spaces throughout the Capitol grounds. In addition, effective immediately, at all of the federal law enforcement training center sites, masks are required for individuals on site and social distancing guidelines are to be followed. The United States Capitol Police Office of Occupational Safety, Health and Environmental staff will be contacting department bureaus, divisions, and offices to assess existing inventories of masks and deliver additional masks as needed. In addition, the United States Capitol Police officers who work in the House Division or the House side of the Capitol Division shall enforce this mask policy on all staff and visitors within the above noted locations. This includes all House office buildings, the hall of the House, and House committee meetings. Note, although this applies to members of Congress, officers should not arrest any member for failure to wear a mask or to comply with the mask mandate. Any member who fails to comply with a request to wear a mask should be reported to the House Sergeant at Arms office. So you, the peon, you will be arrested, but somebody who has a dinky button on their collar will not. If a visitor or staff member fails to wear a mask after a request is made to do so, the visitor or staff shall be denied entries to the House office buildings or House side of the U.S. Capitol. Any person who fails to either comply or leave the premises after being asked to do so would be subject to an arrest for unlawful entry, DC Code Section 22-3302. If a staffer who is not accompanying a member refuses to wear a mask, that refusal should be noted and reported to a supervisor who will, in turn, refer the matter to the House Sergeant at Arms. As always, we encourage everyone to continue to practice hand washing, stay home if you're sick, and continue to participate in your daily symptom inventory check prior to coming to work. The OAP Coronavirus Test Center remains available, and blah, 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 blah. And this is signed J. Thomas Manger, Chief of National Police. Capitol Police. Sorry. I think they're switching to a brown uniform this week. This is interesting stuff. I just wanted to put it out there so that you know, if for whatever reason you're at the Capitol and you can get behind the border that is there with the razor wire and the armed people. If you can get by that to get into the people's house, your building, you have to wear a mask or they're going to lock you up because nothing says tyranny like complete control. Thought that I'd throw that out there because this is about as bad as it gets. Let me know what you guys think down below. And until we see each other again, be safe, stay vigilant, carry a weapon. I really hope that you all are paying attention.